I'm Jara, your makeover coach. Today I'm going to be sharing in my video what order should your skincare steps be. There's so many products that we need to use every day to make our skin look great and radiant, right? And it's normal to be confused. So keep on watching. I often cannot emphasize enough to all my clients the importance of skincare because it is the base to good makeup. So before I start every makeover, I will always prep my clients' faces with skincare that best matches their skin types. So let's start! Today I'm going to share with you every step possible on what you could be doing in your routine. And the good news is you don't have to use them every day all the time. Your morning routine is usually quite simple and straightforward. Cleanse, tone, moisturize, and sunscreen. What I'm going to share more is for the evening routine, which requires more prepping and more products, because it is the best time that our skin can absorb all the nutrients that we slept on. Number 1. Oil cleanser. Usually in oil or balm form. Oil-based. Great for melting and removing sunscreen, makeup, or even tinted moisturizer. They also remove sebum, dirt, and pollution from your skin really well. This is the must for all of us in the evening. Number 2. Regular water cleanser. This step removes all other dirt that the oil cleanser may not remove. It is your regular cleanser. Choose a cleanser that can fit your skin type. For example, acne, or oily, or normal, or combination. Use your cleanser maximum 2 times a day. Usually it's morning and the evening. Anything over is excessive. Number 3. Exfoliation. Use 1 to 3 times per week. Once a day. Exfoliators remove dead skin that clog up the pores, which makes our skin look dull, dry, and aged. It helps prevent blackheads, breakouts, and enlarged pores. It's great for your skin to look healthier and brighter. This allows the skincare to get absorbed better. There are 2 types of exfoliation, physical wash-off or chemical types. I personally prefer the chemical exfoliation. Number 4. Wash-off clay mask. Good to use especially after your day of physical wash-off exfoliation because it penetrates better into your skin for deeper cleansing. This wash-off clay mask can be used 1 to 3 times a week, and I recommend using it more often, up to 3 times for more oily skin. Otherwise, you can follow the recommendations on the product. Number 5. Toner. Balances your skin pH and hydrates as well. Number 6. Essence. Can be used morning and night every day, packed with ingredients that make your skin look better overall. I don't usually use this, so it's optional. Yay! We are finally halfway! In my online course, apart from teaching you makeup, I also teach you the importance of skincare and how to use them. I also include some personal products that I'm currently using that are my favorites. So for this video, I shall not bore you with too many details. Let's continue. Number 7. Serum. Depending on the serum, usually you can use them morning and night. You may even have heard them labeled as ampoules or treatment. I really like the serums now in improved formulations and packaging. Last time, most ampoules are sealed in breakable glass bottles. I cut my fingers super deep once when I tried to break the bottle open, and I had to have 4 stitches to mend it back. And all just right before my US trip. If you're still using those packagings, be really careful, okay? However, no more glass ampoules bottles for me. Serums are like vitamins to our skin. They contain very concentrated ingredients that can target a specific skin problem. Number 8. Sheet mask. I feel like this can be quite similar to a serum depending on the type you buy. So if it's already soaked with serum, there's no need to double up. Just use the sheet mask and skip the serum. You can use this 1 to 3 times per week, once a day. Number 9. Eye cream or mask or patch. Great for anyone. Use an eye cream. You're going to thank me in 10 years time. It can reduce puffiness and fine lines. Number 10. Moisturizer. This is super essential for the morning and evening. The right moisturizer can balance your skin either when you're too dry or too oily. I recommend a lighter gel formulation for oily skin and a heavier cream one for drier skin. Number 11. Face oil. This is optional, but well, if you've already got it and not sure what to do with it, it is used with your moisturizer morning or evening. Do note that this is used together with the moisturizer, but not to replace your moisturizer. You can mix a few drops with your moisturizer or have the oil first patter onto your face and neck before the moisturizer. Number 12. sleeping mask. I know, right? There are so many steps. This is an extra layer of protection and care for your face. This will be your last step at night and you rinse this away in the morning. So when you wake up in the morning after cleansing, toning, moisturizing, we come to the last part. Number 13, sunscreen. So this is the morning and we apply sunscreen after the moisturizer to our face and neck. Protecting our skin from the sun's harmful rays is the most important thing you need to do every day. Yes, these are all the items that are available for your skincare routine. 13 of them. I hope you find this video useful and remember to like and subscribe. Comment below on your favorite products and I'll see you the next time.